Good morning, students. Today again we are going to start with the chapter Atoms and Molecules. And today's topic we are going to continue with the topic what are atoms. So, now hydrogen atom is the smallest of all atoms and the given table lists the atomic radii of some elements. So you can see the atomic radius of hydrogen atom is the smallest, comparing with nitrogen and iron. Now, representation of atoms. Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols of different element symbols. Every symbol he proposed also represented a definite quantity of the respective elements. The symbol of some common elements are as proposed by Dalton are shown in the given figure. So the symbol I will show you. So these were the symbol, like for hydrogen a circle with a dot, carbon a circle with darkened end, oxygen with a circle, phosphorus, you can see sulfur, iron, copper, lead, silver, gold, platinum and mercury. So these are the symbols which were used earlier by the scientists. Now continuing further, however, the symbols of the element as proposed by the Dalton were difficult to draw and remember. Therefore, an alternative method for representing element was proposed, and that was given by the J.J. Berzelius. He suggested that alphabets can be used as symbols to represent the elements further, and the modern symbol of the element make use of the idea. The IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, approves the name of the elements. Also, it approves the symbol of elements made from one or two letters of English or Latin and the name of that element. As a rule, the first letter of the symbol is always written in capital letter and the second letter is small letter. See, in the modern symbol of element, if we some guidelines for writing the symbols of different elements that we can discuss. So I have told you earlier also, for the writing the first 20 elements, the first letter is always capital and the second letter is always small. Now the modern symbol of some common elements are given in the following table. So before going through the discussion of modern symbol of elements, while writing the symbols of the element, the symbol of an element is the first letter and another letter of the English, the name or Latin name of the element. However, in all cases the first letter is always capital and another letter is always a small letter. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था हाइड्रोजन फर्स्ट लेटर इज कैपिटल, ऑक्सीजन फर्स्ट लेटर इज कैपिटल, excuse me, carbon first letter is capital, cobalt first letter is capital and second letter is small. Aluminium, you can see the symbol of aluminium here, the first letter is capital and second letter is small. Argon, first letter is capital and second letter is small, right? Second rule is the necessity of adding another letter arises only in the case of element whose name start with the same letter. However, another letter is added, not always the second letter. हमेशा second letter ही नहीं होगा. जैसे आर्गन में AR हमने लिया है, कैल्शियम में CA लिया है, मैग्नीशियम में अब हमने MA नहीं लिया है, instead we have taken MG. So I have told you when we discussed about first 20 element, that while writing the symbols of the element, that it may be the first and the second letter, or it may be the first letter, or the second letter may be from in between the name of the element. Okay, So further, the another letter added may be a letter from the Latin name of the element, or it may be the letter from second letter, it may be from in between the name of the element. जैसे अगर हम क्लोरीन की बात करते हैं, see here, chlorine. In the case of chlorine, it is not CH, it is C and L. So first letter and the second letter is taken in between from the name of the element. Magnesium, first letter and the second letter is taken in between from the name of the element. Iron, iron is not from the name of the element, it is taken from its Latin name, and its Latin name is ferrum. Latin name is ferrum. So it is taken from there, Fe, ferrum. Okay. So some symbols are taken from their Latin name. Some symbols are the first two letters. Some symbol are the first letter and the second letter is from in between the name of the element. And some symbols are first letter of the element name. Is that clear? Going on further, few more element symbols are there, like copper, it is Cu. So from where copper symbol Cu came? Copper symbol Cu came from its Latin name cuprum. Okay, so that is Cu, cuprum. Similarly, we can say that lead symbol is Pb. Lead symbol is Pb. From where it has came? It has came from its Latin name plumbum. Plumbum. So it is the first letter P and B is from in between the name of the Latin name. Okay. Next is potassium. Potassium is symbol is K. From where the K symbol has came? Potassium has came from its Latin name kalium. First letter K of its Latin name. Sodium. Sodium symbol is Na. From where the name has came? It has came from Latin name Natarium, and its symbol is Na. The first two letter of its Latin name. So in this way, we will come to the symbols of the element derived from their English name, from their Latin name, and while writing the symbols of the element, it may be the first letter, it may be the first two letter, or it may be first letter or the second letter from in between the name of the element, or it may be the first two letter of its Latin name, first letter of its Latin name, or first letter or letter in between from its Latin name. Is that clear? So in this way you will write the modern symbol of the element. Okay, so do practice of it, the symbols of the element. Then we will continue further with the topic atomic masses. Thank you.